Hola chicos! I'm coming at you today with a video that will help you with how to submit any evidence that you've produced for exploring world languages. So if you were looking at the assignment, evidence en español, which is always under your evidence topic for this class, and you click into that, there are a couple of things to look at. So far, the only thing that's listed under your work is the choice board, right? And the choice board is what allows you to access some of those different tools, those different tech tools and things that you can use to produce your evidence. You know, the Flipgrid is linked here, as well as the link for Kahoot, a Google Slides presentation. All those things are there. But let's say you're actually ready to submit something. I'm going to go back to the tab where I am working on my classwork, right? And to be able to attach any evidence, you're just going to click this add or create button. And if you've already created that thing, let's say it's like a slides presentation and it's in your Google Drive, you can hit that Google Drive spot and it should hopefully show up under the recent tab. But if it's not under recent because of something else that you had going on, or because you did it a while ago, then you should be able to just go where it says My Drive and scroll through until you find whatever it is that you need to upload. Okay, so that is how you would attach evidence that exists within your Google Drive. But what if it's something like a link, right? What if you created a book creator assignment or a Kahoot? Well, then you can go to add or create and then hit this button where it says link, and then you just would copy and paste the link to whatever it is that you created right there. In total, you should end up with 3 attachments if you did your projects on 3 different platforms. Otherwise, if multiple projects are done on the same document, you might have less than that. But I just want to remind you that you want to show me evidence, high quality evidence of at least 3 skills, right? So those 5 skills that you can choose from are there. You want to pick at least 3. Obviously, down here are some awesome examples from former students, so you can get an idea for that. And you can look at this rubric to kind of see how I'm going to be scoring you on those on that evidence work that you do. Okay, let's actually bop over to the classroom one more time really quick, just so I can show you one other thing. All right, you'll realize that also due this week, actually before your evidence is due, is all of these modules to help you practice your Spanish, right? To help you practice your Spanish stuff. So for these, you'll know that I obviously linked the Quizlet for each of those so you could get a little practice with the skill first. But the actual assignment, in order to complete the assignment, you'll need to go into the Ed Puzzle. And when you go into the Ed Puzzle, basically you just watch those videos start to finish and answer the questions as they appear, okay? So those 2 things are kind of your goals for at home. Notice that the Ed Puzzle videos, or the little modules, will be due Tuesday by midnight, and your evidence will be due Wednesday at midnight, so before you come to class Thursday. Okay, the plan is to be able to move on to French on Thursday after we get a chance to see some people's evidence. So hopefully that goes well for you, and make sure you always ask me questions or get a hold of me either or early this week so that I can help you if you need it. Okay, gracias chicos, nos vemos.